holding the Atomos Ninja is the Edelkrone FlexTILT Pro, which I opened up today. I have the old version, which is really nice, but the new version is nicer, and it has some locking knobs on the side, which I think is sort of nice. I saw that Atomos sells some, I think they rebrand this, but you don't need to buy the Atomos one. You can buy this one, the Pro. Like I mentioned, the difference is it has locking on one side for the top and bottom. So I use that. Gotta figure something out to have this mat be moving on me. This is, like I mentioned, I'll have that in a link. So this is the old version, original version I had. So this will be 3 videos. On this short little video in my new YouTube studio spare bedroom.